All brick one-level custom-built ranch by Bob Phillips with all the details you come to expect in a custom home. Great circular floor plan. Kitchen has granite countertops, Amish cabinetry. All appliances including West/D. Fabulous views of backyard from the dining area. Detailed raised ceilings in every room. Private master suite with large walk-in closet, jetted tub and separate shower. The backyard has a covered patio and is a private oasis. A gardener's dream and amp, she shed. 3-car finished garage with tons of storage. Perfect starter or right-sized home awaits.